here is what is in the chute after grinding some pretty dark coffee last. Just a little dust. I'll open up the burrs and see what's in there. This is after like 6 months of use. Got a little escaped grounds. Let's see inside. Let's see, how does this work? Never open this. Let's come out. It's pretty tight. Alright, maybe I should vacuum it out. Oh, this whole thing comes out. I'll try and grab it. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Yeah, not looking too bad. This is with like, I just put a really dark, greasy coffee through last. Oh, yeah. Whoops, something fell out. That's the bearing. Alright, I'll try and make sure I put that back in the right way. But yeah, chamber is pretty clean. The sweepers seem to do a good job. Much better than the DF64. Do a little... Pretty clean. I didn't use the bellows for the burrs. There's just a little bit of dust in the in between the crevices of the burrs themselves, and a little on the sweeper arms. Pretty nice. And the burr carrier fits in really nice and tight. Well machined.